Welcome. You already know what's happening. I'm teaching you how to play Parrot the Platypus. This theme. Which, if you don't know, which I don't know why you click on this video, if you didn't know, it goes like... Fuck, I messed it up. I just kind of learned it myself, but it's 002, 3... No, it's 002, 03, 5, 002, 03, 5. Yeah. Look. That's there it is. That's it. Okay. So, fuck. Move it down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Should be able to see perfectly fine now. So I'm going to be explaining how to play through frets. So if I say 0 or O, it just not touching anything. 2 would be, right here. 3. So it's fuck. Keeps this in. So it's just 002, 002, 03. I want to do that fast. 002, 03. Or I want to do it. Okay, well, it's 00. Sorry for like the delay and stuff. 00203. 00203 5002. Oh fuck, 2. It's 00203 5 00203 fuck 00203 5 00203 5 00203 5 7 7 7. Fuck. That's the Parrot the Platypus theme. It's just 00203 5 00203 5 00203 00203 5 7 7 7. Also, a trick I do to get the because if you don't do that trick, it'll just sound like the way you get the is I'm playing it 7th fret, you strum, it's 7 and then 7 and then you can probably see you just release your finger from the fret. Really simple. Should be able to figure this out. It took me a while because I was trying to play the Cars 2 theme, trying to play that, right? And then I looked up a video to see how they played it, because that was just my version. And it was like, which I was like, that does not sound like that a single fucking bit. I'm like, that sounds like it sounds like that. Also, in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play. Fuck, I messed it up, but it's Smoke on the Water by Purple or something. I'm going to be teaching you how to play that next. But remember, this video is going on for way too long, but Parrot the Platypus theme is just 00203 00203 5 00203 5 00203 5 7 7 7. There you go. That's how you play the Parrot the Platypus theme. If you enjoyed this and you want more guitar tutorials, subscribe. so you don't miss them. And also I stream Skyrim a lot, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope it helped you.